Sanibona ke senze night trap edlala after d4 d5. Wena bese udlala e4. Udlala e4 to attack center. But lapho nesiliphushile develop al protective uzolithatha. The next move sekuzoba ukuzama ukubuyisa back ipawn lethu esililuzile by playing knight to c3. But le knight le pawn le usengakwazi ukulidefenda ngokudlala iknight yakhe naye. A defend at the same time is development move. But uzobuka ukuthi kuwena iknight yakho nebishop usengakwazi ukudlala manje. Vulelekile. But sizophusha uF3 just to attack center futhi siphinde sibuyisele ipawn. But uzolithatha nalela pawn. Normal move ukuthatha ngeknight la, but sizothatha thina ngequeen. Sishiyele la pawn lethu eliku d4 lingaprotectiwe. Ukuze athathe iqueen yakhe azolidla. Uzothatha iqueen adlele pawn eliku d4. The next move thina sizothatha ibishop sibeke lapha ku e3 to attack iqueen yakhe. Kumele ayisuse le queen ngoba mayingayisusi soyidla. Uzothatha iqueen ayibeke ku b4. U-attack ipawn lethu leli liku b2. So thina sizokhasela to prevent ukuthi angalidli le pawn. After i-castling yethu uzobona ukuthi sesisenkingeni manje. Kubukeka ngathi sisenkingeni because uzothatha ibishop alilethe ku g4. Bishop g4 u-attack manje iqueen yethu nerook. Uma ngabe singasusa iqueen sibalekele ukuthi angayidli uzoshaya irook. Uma sisusa irook uzoshaya iqueen. So le threat asizukuyinaka but sizodlala thina knight sithathe siyibeke lapha ku b5. Move knight to b5. Si attack le pawn eliku c7. Si attack le pawn eliku c7 yena u-attack iqueen u-attack nerook yethu. Yabo? Alright. Uma engasinaki edla iqueen uzongena inkingeni but so uzodevelop inathi ayibeke lapha ku a6 to prevent ukuthi singayishayi le pawn but sizosusa iqueen thina siyoshaya ipawn eliku b7. Uma sishaya ipawn eliku b7 yabona ukuthi si-attack irook so uzosusa irook yakhe ayibeke lapha ku c8 to defend against ipawn la iqueen yethu. But iknight ayiprotectiwe sizodla iknight ngequeen. Uma engake athatha ibishop ashaya irook because uyabona ukuthi ibishop la sisuse khona besithe iqueen nerook attackile. So angathatha ibishop ashaya irook sizobe sesithatha thina iqueen sesishaya irook yakhe. That will be checkmate igame siphelile. Alright, let's go back ngoba kungenzeka ukuthi umuntu angayenzi lento because ayibona. Kungenzeka omunye abe greedy. Makusese kanje mawudlale iknight lapha vela ashaya iqueen athi oh ngathola iqueen yamahala ashaya iqueen ngebishop. If it takes iqueen ngebishop you just don't take ibishop back but udlala iknight uyoshaya uc7. Ushaya uc7 mawushaya uc7 it will be check and mate. Let's take knight to c7 check. It's a checkmate. Le opening le trap le angeke uhlale ungawini mawudlala yona. Most of the time 90% of the time mawuke wadlala le trap uyawina. Cela niqhubeke ni subscribe ni ye lapha ku chess ilula on YouTube.